check it out, guys. Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. This paper airplane is a new design, and I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. First thing, you need a piece of your letter size paper. If you do not have your letter size paper, just try to use A4 paper. Now let's flatten the paper down. On the first step, I will fold the paper in half this way. Press this down. Alright. Now I'm going to flatten the paper down. Now start from the upper part of the paper, fold both sides to the center crease. This is the standard fold for any paper airplane. Almost every paper airplane has this standard fold. Cool. Right, so we finished the first fold. On the following step, I'm going to start from this edge and fold to the center crease. Hold the paper and then fold to the center crease. Rest the paper down. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay. Rest the paper down. This is another standard fold. So I will adjust this side a little bit. I will adjust this side a little bit. And it's a little bit too much. Make sure that both sides are even. Okay. Now it's look really good. Next step, I'm going to fold this part of the paper down like this. I want to make sure that all creases are lined up. Just line up now. Now press the paper here. Okay. On the following step, I am going to start from the upper part of the paper for both sides to the center crease. Alright. For this side first, and I'm going to repeat the same for this side. Okay. This looks just fine. Alright. Just fine here. This is what we have. Cool. Now I'm going to unfold the paper, unfold this part of the paper, and I'll start from both sides. I push this to the center crease. Okay. And then open this part of the paper, both sides, push this down. Here we go. So that is what we have. This looks really cool, right? I'm going to adjust this side as well so that both sides are even. The whole point is to make it stay at the center, so I will adjust it. Here we go. So the crease align. Hold the paper and then adjust it. If it's not even, that is okay. We are not going to make a long distance paper airplane. On the following step, let's start from this side. I'll fold to the center crease. This part I'll fold to the center crease. Okay. And I'm going to unfold the paper. I'm going to repeat the same fold for this side. I fold to the center crease. I'm going to fold this one to the center crease. Okay. Now I can make this part of the paper look like this. Just like the swallow. Okay. Make the head of the bird. Okay. Going to repeat the same fold for this side as well. I'm going to adjust the tail. Here we go. So we have this part of the paper. Now I can fold this part of the paper down. Let me adjust it a little bit. Look like it's up here. So make sure that it stays at the right place. Okay. Both sides need to be even as well. Now I can fold this part of the paper down. I can adjust the head part of the plane a little bit more. So I can adjust it this side first. And here we go. If this is up, then I can adjust it. If this is up, I pull it to this side and I'll adjust this part. Make sure that it stays at the center. That's look good. And I can fold the paper in half. Cut the paper now because it's so thick. Curve it so you won't wreck it. Here we go. So you have the bird. Now let's create a wing. Let me fold this down. Okay, make it up a bit. So this part is very thick. I will not fold straight from here, but I'll start from this part of the paper. I fold up here. It's about 1 inch up. So press the paper down, and I'm going to repeat the same fold. Here we go. And now I can curve the end of the wings up. So just use my finger to curve the wings. Okay. By doing this way, the wings will curve up. We're going to curve this part of the paper as well. And curve it up. Okay, and I press this down. Okay, this look really cool, right? This is the bird with the tail, so I can make the end of the wings up to ensure that the bird will fly up. And here you go, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed making this plan. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.